Good morning mga ka-realtor, another house, another day. So I'm here at Frontera Subdivision, Grand Europa, Cagayan de Oro City. This bungalow house is for rent. 3 bedroom and 3 toilet and bath and 1 storage room. Rent is 17,000 pesos. Minimum of 1 year contract. Terms is 1 month advance and 2 months security deposit. So, pasukin natin. Halika kayo, pasukin natin para malaman ninyo kung ano yung property. So, ito is gated. Tapos dito, may carport. So, dito yung carport. Swak dito ang pick-up type, sedan and SUV. And dito naman, mayroon siyang waiting shed. So, dito, pwede kayo dito mag-stay, magpalipas oras ng mga friends ninyo. At saka dito, may space dito para sa service area. Ito yung service area dito. So, malaki pa yung space. Pasukin natin yung bahay para makita natin yung loob. Ito yung living area. Dito yung living area at saka dining area. At saka dito naman yung first room, yung sinasabi natin na master bedroom. So spacious siya, high ceiling. Kita naman natin yung room na spacious. Tapos ito yung first na toilet and bath. Tapos dito naman yung second room. Ito yung second room. Tapos meron siyang toilet and bath dito. May own siya na toilet and bath. At dito naman yung third room. Hindi lang siya masyadong malaki, pero okay naman siya. At mayroon siyang own nga toilet and bath dito. At ito naman yung pwede din matawag natin na room, pwede, at saka yung storage. Pwede din siya gawin nating room. At dito naman yung kitchen area. Malaki yung kitchen area natin. Tignan nyo. Pwede din kayo dito mag-dining area kung gusto niyo. Doon or dito, pwede. No? So, ito yung buong bahay. So, spacious siya. Yung living area, spacious at high ceiling. No? So, kapag interested kayo sa property na ito, don't forget to PM or message me, this Albert, the PRC accredited. Thank you and God bless. Thank you. Ito yung amenities ng Frontera Subdivision. May swimming pool siya. Tignan nyo. At saka meron siyang basketball court. At ito yung clubhouse.